The Pennsylvania Railroad PRR Class GG-1 is widely considered one of the most successful and iconic locomotive designs in history. It's the Art Deco king of the rails, blending brute force with high-speed elegance. Here is the breakdown of why the GG-1 is a legend. 1. The design. Art meets engineering. While the mechanical guts were impressive, the GG-1 is famous for its look. Raymond Loewy's touch. Industrial designer Raymond Loewy famously recommended switching from a riveted body to a seamless welded steel shell. He also added the iconic 5 stripes, cat whiskers, gold pinstriping. The shape, its streamlined dual-cab bi-directional design, allowed it to run at high speeds in either direction without needing a turntable. 2. Performance specs. For a locomotive designed in the 1930s, its power was staggering. Feature. Specification. Top speed, 100 miles per hour standard, though geared for more. Horsepower, 4,620 horsepower continuous, 8,500 horsepower short bursts. Wheel arrangement, 2 C plus C2, 2 frames, each with 3 driving axles. Weight, approx. 475,000 pounds. 237.5 tons. Power source, 11,000 volts AC via overhead catenary. 3. Historical impact. Longevity. Built between 1934 and 1943, these 139 locomotives were so over-engineered that they remained in frontline service for nearly 50 years. They served the PRR, Penn Central, Amtrak, and Conrail. The Northeast Corridor hero. They were the backbone of travel between New York City and Washington, D.C., hauling everything from heavy coal trains to the prestigious Broadway Limited Passenger Express. The Federal Express crash, 1953, GG-1, number 4876, famously crashed through the floor of Union Station in D.C. after its brakes failed. Remarkably, because the engine was so valuable, they lowered it into the basement, built a temporary floor over it for the inauguration of Eisenhower, and later retrieved and repaired it. It returned to service for another 30 years. 4. Retirement and legacy. The GG-1 fleet was finally retired in the early 1980s, primarily due to frame cracks and the fact that their internal cooling fluids contained PCBs. Note, despite their fame, none are currently operational. Because of the PCB contamination and the complexity of their 11,000 volts transformers, they are strictly museum pieces today.